Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now Sun is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Libra. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings is seen from third house, efforts, your neighbors, your cousins, your childhood friend is seen from third house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house, your how smart you are, how your mental abilities and your planning abilities is also seen from fifth house. So right now your third house Lord is moving in your fifth house. Your early education is also seen from fifth house. So right now your third house Lord is moving in your fifth house. So we can expect good result regarding your education related matter and your children's related matter if you have children right now, because third house deal with communication, and right now your communication Lord is moving in the house of education, in the house of children. So we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter and your education related matter in the month of November. Sun will stay in your fifth house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. So after 17th of November, you need to be take care of your communication related matter. You may have to face some argument, because third house deal with communication as we discussed previously, and sixth house deal with your argument, fights, conflict, your confrontation, your competition is seen from sixth house. So after 17th of November, your third house Lord will be moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you may have to face some argument in your communication related matter. So you need to be take care of these matter in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. And right now Mercury is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Libra. Mercury will stay in your fifth house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. So in the major part of November, Mercury will be moving in your sixth house till 27th of November. After 27th of November, Mercury will move from your sixth house to your seventh house. Mercury is your ascendant lord. So Mercury is a very important planet for you people. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your general health, your general nature, means your fundamental nature is seen from first house. Your physique, your fame, your personality is also seen from first house. Fourth house deal with your mother. Your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house. Your home, your property matters, your comfort in life, your conveniences in life is also seen from fourth house. So right now your ascendant lord and your fourth house lord will be moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with your diseases as well. So you need to be take care of your health in the month of November, especially after 7th of November till 27th of November. We can expect you may have to face some health related issues in the month of November. So you need to be take care of your health related matter in the month of November till Sun move from your fifth house to your sixth house, because Sun will illuminate your sixth house. Also we can expect after 17th of November, when Sun will move to your sixth house along with Mercury, so you can expect your hidden enemies will be illuminated after 17th of November, because Sun will be moving in your sixth house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of November. Mercury also controls your fourth house, and fourth house Lord will be moving in your sixth house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your property related matter, your court cases, your argument, your confrontation. So you need to be take care of your court cases related matter. If you have any dates of court cases and competition in the month of November, especially before 17th of November, then you need to be postpone the date of your competition and court cases in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Mercury and Sun in the month of November for all the Gemini Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Virgo. Venus just moved from your third house to your fourth house on 3rd November 2023. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation is seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matter, your spirituality related matter, your dreams, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. Your 5th house, as we discussed previously, 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities seen from 5th house. So right now your 12th house Lord and your 5th house Lord is moving in your 6th house, where Ketu is also moving from 30th October 2023. Means Ketu just moved from your 5th house to your 4th house. So as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video, you need to be take care of your health related matter, especially your mother's health. Chances you may have to face some difficulties regarding your mother's health number, because Ketu just moved from your 5th house to your 4th house. And also we can expect, if you want to travel from your birthplace to some different countries, so we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, because your 12th house lord is right now moving in your 4th house in Ketu, which create detachment. Ketu, because from 4th house we also see your homeland, and if you are living in your homeland and if you want to travel somewhere, then we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your second house in its own sign. Means Moon is right now moving in Cancer sign in your second house. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit during these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our. Especially problem, issues and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini and people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Libra. 11th house deal with your gains, your achievements in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your elder sibling is seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your professional network circle is also seen from 11th house. 6th house, as we discussed previously, 6th house will be court case, litigation, argument, fights, competition. Your hidden enemy is also seen from 6th house. So Mars is moving right now in your 5th house. 5th house will be your children, your love relationship, your early education. So as we discussed previously in some section, you will get good result regarding your communication related matter and your love relationship before 17th of November, because Mars will stay in your 5th house till 17th of November along with Sun. After 17th of November, Mars and Sun, both the planets will be moving in your 6th house. So before 17th of November, Mars is moving in your 5th house, and from 5th house, Mars is expecting its own house, your 11th house, where Jupiter is also moving. So we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes in the month of November, because your 11th house lord is sitting in your 5th house. 5th house considered as most positive house in astrology. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship in the month of November. But after 17th of November, you need to be take care of communication related matter and your health related matter, because your ascendant lord will be moving in your 6th house, and your 3rd house lord will be also moving in your 6th house. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of November. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 5th house, but after 17th of November, Sun will move to your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in your 9th house in its retrograde motion, but after 3rd November 2023, Saturn will turn into its direct motion again. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 5th house, but after 17th of November, Mars and Sun, both the planets will be moving in your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 5th house, but after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 6th house, and from 6th house, Mercury will move to your 7th house after 27th of November. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 4th house, and Venus is just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house on 3rd November in the sign of Virgo. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Gemini ascendant and I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.